See the next one, observing the motion of a ball on different surfaces. So try to roll a ball on different surfaces like carpet, rough road and smooth floor, etc. So see here. So on three surfaces we have to roll a ball. So assume this as the carpet and this as the rough road and this is a smooth floor. The three surfaces are in plane. Here the force exert is same here. So on which surface the ball will roll fastly here? See, the force of resistance to the motion seems to be more on rough surface than smooth surface. So see here, the rough surface is having more resistance to the motion, right, when compared to the smooth surface. So the ball will roll very fastly on the smooth floor when compared to the rough road or carpet. Okay, so here the resistance to the motion is more on the rough road and the rolling of the ball is faster in smooth floor. Okay. See the next one, observing the motion of an object and inclined plane. So for this we have to take tray. Okay. On this tray we have to take on one corner in a plane ice cube and 1 rupee coin and eraser. Okay. Now lift this tray with this end. So what will happen? It changes its position. Yes, it is look like an inclined plane. Now what do you observe here? Which object slides fastly here? So from these three, the ice cube will fastly slide down here. Why? Means here the surface of the ice cube is smooth when compared to 1 rupee coin and eraser. Yes, here these three objects experiences same resistance to the motion here. No, these three will not experience same resistance to the motion, right? But here which one is experiences more resistance to the motion? From these three, the eraser will experience more resistance to the motion. Here the surface of the eraser is rough when compared to ice cube and 1 rupee coin. The surface of eraser is rough. That's why it is experiencing resistance to the motion is more here. Right? In any object, if it is experiencing their resistance to the motion means there is a frictional force is applied. So frictional force is nothing but resistance to the movement of a body over the surface of another body. So here I am writing the definition. Friction is resistance to the motion of a body over the surface of another body. We can't imagine our life without friction, right? So here the car, if the car move on the road means it will experience the frictional force. Without friction, the car will not move on the road. So there is a frictional force between tires and road. So the direction of the friction is always opposite to the motion relative to the surface, right? So when car is moving in forward direction, the frictional force is applied on the backward direction. So when if we want to walk on the road, so there is a frictional force is applied. So if we want to write on the board, there is also frictional force is applied. So without friction, we can't imagine our life. Okay.